Welcome back to debugging maths. In this video, we'll learn the addition rule of elementary probability. Okay, so this one is very simple as well, but the moment you miss it, you think elementary probability is rocket science, but it's not. So I recommend you take notes, like I always say, and let's run this one real quick. So these are the guys that play football and the guys that play basketball, and so that's what this set mean, like this. And of course, there are people that play football and basketball inside here somewhere. This is their intersection. So the addition rule says that or anytime you hear this word or, just know that we're talking about the addition rule in probability. But how exactly? Let me show you with this Venn diagram. If I say what is the probability of picking a player in class, or rather picking a student in class that either plays football, or you can use the word either, that plays football or basketball, that would be football or basketball, right? Or if you hear the word either football or basketball. But if that were the case, it means that we need players that play only football and only basketball. We don't need players that play both. So if that were the case, it means we don't need this. So okay, now this will give you like a little visual of what exactly I'm talking about. The probability of picking football only plus the probability of picking basketball only minus any intersection between them. So we don't want a student that is merging, that plays football and basketball. That would not satisfy or answer the question I've just asked. What is the probability of picking a student that plays only football and only basketball? All right, so this is very important that you remember all this, because when we start, or in our subsequent videos, when we start teaching you guys on independent events and more about the merging of two probabilities, that is what's common in between them, you will need to remember all these things. I'm just training it in there so that you can remember them now, store them very well. So let's solve questions on this so that everything will sink in properly.